Hello, I'm Ago the robot, and today I have a question for you. Do you ever follow instructions? Maybe when you brush your teeth or get ready for school? Today I'll teach you a big computer word in a very simple way. The word is, do you keep a secret? Algorithm. An algorithm is a list of steps. It tells us what to do first, next, and last. Computers use algorithms to work. But guess what? People use algorithms every day too. Let's look at an example. Think about brushing your teeth. First, you pick up your toothbrush. Next, you put toothpaste on it. Then, you brush your teeth. And finally, you rinse your mouth. Each step is important. If you change the order, it might not work very well. All these steps together are an algorithm. Getting ready for school is also an algorithm. First, you wake up. Next, you get dressed. Then, you eat breakfast. And finally, you go to school. Step by step. That is algorithm thinking. Can you think of an algorithm you use every day? Maybe for making a sandwich? Or tying your shoes? Remember, an algorithm is a list of steps to do something. You already use algorithms every day, just like a computer. I hope you enjoyed this video and hope to see you next time. Bye bye!